this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on Find My iPhone so you can find it if you ever lose it. So you can go to google.com, just type in Find My iPhone, it'll bring you to this exact website to locate it. Otherwise you can just use an app like this on a different Apple product. It's called Find My, and it'll go to your exact location. Just sign in with your Apple account. Now to set this up, go to settings right here and then tap your name on the top. So you can see your name right here, tap your name. Scroll on down and you can see Find My right here. And just turn on Find My iPhone. And just make sure this is turned on. And if you come up with a passcode, you can have all three of these settings turned on. So the first one is Find My iPhone, and then we have Find My Network, and then we have Send Last Location. So if your battery dies on your iPhone and you lose this at a park or something like that, you'll know the last location your iPhone was in, so you can actually check in that location. So turn on all three of these settings, come up with a passcode, and then log in with your Apple account on your computer, your MacBook or something like that. Go to google.com, type in Find My iPhone, and it'll bring you to the exact website to do that. Otherwise, if you do have like an iPad or another iPhone, you can just use the Find My app right here, and it'll bring you to the exact location. And I could probably go to that right now. I'll just go ahead and just scroll away so you don't see exactly where I am. So you can see I have all my different devices on here, my three devices, iPhone, AirPods. Actually, I don't have my iPad on here either. So yes, you can just tap one of these and it'll go to your location. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.